821, use the quadratic formula to solve x squared minus 13x plus 42 equals 0. Do your solutions match the solutions from part A of problem 820? Alright, so to use the quadratic formula, we have to first know what the quadratic formula is, and it is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. And then looking at our equation, we know that a equals 1, b equals negative 13, and c equals 42. So what we want to do is we want to solve the quadratic formula by plugging in a, b, and c. Now, one thing it's important to note that to get a, b, and c, you have to be all the terms have to be on one side of the equal sign. It doesn't matter which side, but they all have to be on the same side. Alright, so now let's substitute our values. So we get negative 13 plus or minus negative 13 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 42, all divided by 2 times 1. Alright, so I usually show this step where I substitute all the values. Then the next step, I like to condense everything. So under the radical, 13 squared minus 4 times 1 times 42 equals, so the square root of 1 all over 2. So this is pretty convenient. The square root of 1 is 1. So to figure out what x is, this is going to be 13 plus 1 divided by 2, and it's going to be 13 minus 1 divided by 2. So x is going to be 7 and what is that, 12 and 6. And does this match our solutions from the first problem that we did? Yes.